Good evening, everybody. This is going to be a little episode of, I'm going to call Turtle Talk. So I'm going to give a quick overview of the turbo system on my 5.3 liter LS Miata. I got a pair of Hooker cast truck manifolds that have been flipped forward and fitted with a pair of V-bands, coming into 2.5-inch piping with flexible bellow on the side. And then off this header, we have another flexible bellow. Those two pipes come into the Streetcar Fabrication T4 billet collector. And as you see, the Precision 66 millimeter wastegate is gathered air right here between the banks. The Precision wastegate has a 2.5-inch up pipe, and the turbo has a 3.5-inch up pipe. I'm using a Precision 7675 turbo T4 mounted on a Billet Maven turbo mount. Very neat piece. I have a massive vibrant intercooler that was custom made to support the airflow. I have a 3.5-inch charge pipe with a pair of Precision 50 millimeter blow-off valves. On the piping, we have a pair of vibrant Vanjens clamps. I also have a vibrant V-band clamp. Turbo kit was fabricated by VR Fabrications in Haines City, Florida. They did a fantastic job. I appreciate what they did and the time they did. Huge shout out to Maven Performance for helping me out with the throttle cable bracket and the turbo mount. And a huge thank you to Precision, helping with turbo parts, and Vibrant Performance for the long continued support of fabrication materials. Best names in the business. Very happy with the outcome of the turbo setup. Now going to start completing the wiring and then on to the cooling system. So stay tuned for the updates, and I will catch you on the next little episode of Turtle Talk.